Well, we've got a ham, egg, pasta, salad, simple. Let's get on with it. So I've got here about 4 cups of cooked pasta. I'm using farfalle, but you can use any type of pasta you want. 4 hard-boiled eggs. And then these 4 here, about a cup each. I've got some cut ham, pickled jalapenos. They're actually quite sweet. Got a kick, but they're sweet. Cheddar cheese, corn. And then these 3. 2 to 3 tablespoons each, are we saying? Tomato, cucumber, and parsley. So in that mixing bowl, my pasta's in there and I've chopped my egg in. We're gonna add our parsley, or a different herb if you want. A little bit of cucumber, a little bit of tomato. And again, all of these, you can adjust how you want. A cup of the corn, cup of cheddar cheese, grated. The jalapenos, pickled jalapenos, really nice. Like I say, they're not massively hot. Got a little kick to them, but nothing crazy. And then some chunky ham there. Really beautiful stuff. So I'm going to get in some black pepper. But I'm not going to add salt. Add salt if you want, but I think the cheese, the ham and everything in there is salty enough for me. But you can sort that out yourself, can't you? Well, I've got some lovely extra virgin olive oil here. Going to give it a nice glug. Let's say that's 4 tablespoons. And then about half a cup, or maybe just over half a cup of mayonnaise. In that goes there. And then what we're going to do is simply give that a mix. Job done. All right, there you go. Simple stuff. Like I say, muck about with it and put what you want in and the amounts. Add some other stuff. Maybe you want to get some fresh chili in there, a different herb or something like that. Really lovely. Stick that on a buffet, you know, or a barbecue. Super stuff. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.